Welcome to the Fluence VYPR series assembly tutorial. Here are all the mounting bracket options. Note that your box will only contain your specified brackets. Here are the components for this assembly. To mount the VYPR fixture, hang 2 mounting brackets over your support structure. Pinch the bracket inward and insert it into the VYPR heatsink between the fins. To mount the power supply, hang 2 more mounting brackets over your support structure. Pinch the bottom of the bracket inward and insert it into the receiving holes on the power supply. Using the DC power cable, plug the light into the power supply. You will feel a click when it's fully plugged in. Always remember to remove the protective cover before turning the light on. Now, with the AC power cable, first plug in your power supply, then into your power source. Fluence offers multiple mounting options to choose from. Fluence, helping the world grow smarter.